Hello, my dear children. Today, our new and fresh topic is simple machines. We use many tools in our daily life to make our work easier. We use scissors to cut paper or a thread. We use screws to attach things to each other. We use a wheel and an axle to move objects. These tools are known as simple machines. All big and complex machines are a combination of these simple machines. In this chapter, let us learn more about simple machines. What is a simple machine? A machine is any device which helps to make work easier. Tools such as screwdriver, a pair of tongs, and a pair of scissors are called simple machines. Lever, a simple machine. A lever is a simple machine in the form of a rod. It can turn around a fixed point. It is made up of three components: load, fulcrum, and effort. The object to be moved is called a load. The support on which the object rests is called a fulcrum. It is the part of the machine that doesn't move. The force that you use on the lever is called effort. Depending upon the position of these three components, levers are of three types. Three components or types of a lever. Lever of the first order. In this type of lever, the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. Example, a pair of pliers. Lever of the second order. In this type of the lever, the load is between the effort and the fulcrum. Example, bottle opener. Lever of the third order. In this type of lever, the effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Example, a knife that is used to cut an apple. Wheel, axle, and pulley. Wheel and axle are simple machines consisting of a circular object, the wheel, with a shaft, the axle, running through and attached to the center of the wheel. The most common wheel and axles that people use every day are tires in a car, bus, and scooter. Wheels fixed to an axle move with less effort. They are used to move heavy objects and to set things in motion. Pulley. It's a simple machine used to lift objects. A pulley consists of a grooved wheel or disc within a housing and a rope or cable threaded around the disc. For example, a pulley is used to lift water from wells. Inclined plane. Inclined plane is a simple machine consisting of a ramp or a similar wedge-shaped device that makes doing a given amount of work easier. It makes easier to lift heavy objects by enabling a person to apply the necessary force over a great distance. A gentle slope of a hill or a playground slide are also an example of an inclined plane. Screw. A screw is a type of nail with grooves cut in it. It has a bending edge which is called a thread. Less force is required to insert a screw into the wood and it also holds the wood firmly. The wedge. It works on the principle of an inclined plane. In a wedge, two inclined surfaces are joined together. When the wedge is pushed into a gap, the load is forced on its sloping sides. So children, I hope now you have come to know that there are different types of machines surrounding us and we use them in a different aspect to complete our task. Simple machines make our work easier. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.